Welcome to this series of video about keyword clustering. I will show you how you can create a great content strategy with keyword clustering and through. Very soon you will understand this interface, you will understand what means a keyword cluster into through and how you can leverage this data to build your content plan. But before starting, let me give you some basic explanation about keyword clustering, how it works. Keyword clustering is a process of grouping similar keywords together. thruuu is leveraging SERP Similarity to group keywords. It means that thruuu will compare keywords one after the other versus the SERP, and when two keywords have common URLs in the top 10, they will be grouped together. I have a detailed video about SERP Similarity. You can have a look if you want to deep dive into that. But overall, the process is quite straightforward. You upload a list of keywords, thruuu will group them into clusters. So you will have a group of keywords with the main keyword and the related one. And what matters is basically the main keyword. This guides your topic strategy, which topic you want to focus on and which new content you want to create or optimize. In the end, the goal is to have a lot of pages and creating what we call a topic cluster or content hub. You will have a series of contents that will be linked together via great internal linking. Additionally, you can have on top a category page, a pillar page to link all of these pages together. So this is a great strategy to rank on search engine because you reach what we call topical authority. Your website is seen as an expert in a domain. Also, it's working very well for AI search, LLMs like ChatGPT and Gemini. So you get the point. At the end of this tutorial, our goal is to have a list of articles, even better, a list of content brief, and you can start creating content to rank on Google search and other LLMs.